Hey MindBody Mastery fam, I'm your name and welcome to day 3 of our 90-day fit challenge. Today, we're diving into a full body strength workout to build muscle and boost endurance. Let's jump right in. Today's workout is all about building strength and stamina with a comprehensive full body routine. We've got some great meal options and a personal growth tip to keep you on track too. First, let's warm up our muscles. Follow along with me. High knees for 30 seconds. Arm circles for 30 seconds. Jumping jacks for 30 seconds. And leg swings, 30 seconds each leg. Now let's get into today's full body strength workout. We'll hit all major muscle groups with each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Ready? Let's go. Squats, push-ups, deadlifts, use body weight or dumbbells. Plank with shoulder taps. Reverse lunges. Dumbbell rows or body weight rows. Great job, everyone. Now let's cool down and stretch to help our muscles recover. Forward fold for 30 seconds. Cat-cow stretch for 30 seconds. Child's pose for 30 seconds. Seated forward. Bend for 30 seconds. Nutrition is key to maximizing your workout results. Here's your day 3 meal plan with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. For breakfast, start your day with a protein-packed smoothie. Spinach, banana, almond milk, protein powder, and chia seeds. For lunch, non-vegetarians can have grilled chicken and quinoa salad with mixed greens and a lemon vinaigrette. Vegetarians, try quinoa and chickpea salad with mixed greens and the same delicious vinaigrette. For a mid-afternoon snack, enjoy Greek yogurt with honey and a handful of berries. For dinner, non-vegetarians can have baked turkey meatballs with quinoa and steamed broccoli, while vegetarians can enjoy a hearty lentil stew with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Today's personal growth tip. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice can boost your mood and enhance your overall well-being. To make this journey even more effective, we offer personalized diet and training plans tailored specifically for you. Send us your weight, height, and the type of transformation you're aiming for, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or overall fitness improvement. Our team will craft a plan just for you. Ready to transform your life in 90 days? Join our challenge today by subscribing to our channel, hitting the notification bell, and following us on Instagram for daily updates and motivation. Don't forget to download the 90-day Fit Challenge guide from the link in the description below. Fantastic work today, everyone. Keep up the great effort and stay consistent. See you tomorrow for day 4 of our 90-day Fit Challenge.